Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Civil Engineering Updated. Today we will be having most important and repeated questions in building materials. So let's begin with the question. First question is the minimum crushing strength of third class brick is. Answer is 3.5 Newton per mm square. If it is asked about minimum crushing compressive strength, then also answer is 3.5 Newton per mm square. Next question. Which of the following has more fire resisting characteristics? Marble, limestone, compact sandstone and granite. Answer is compact sandstone. Next. Excess of alumina in brick earth makes the brick. What does excess of alumina in brick causes? To crack and warp on drying. What is warping? Warping is actually unequal shrinkage. Next question. The constituent of cement which is responsible for all undesirable properties of cement is. Answer is tricalcium aluminate. If it is asked about undesirable properties, then answer should be tricalcium aluminate. Next question. If the percentage of water required for the normal consistency, water to be added for the determination of initial setting time is. Answer is 0.85 p. Next question. The basic purpose of retarder in concrete. What is the purpose of retarder in concrete? So answer is to increase initial setting time of cement paste in concrete. It increases the initial setting time of cement paste in concrete. Next question. The inner part of the timber log surrounding the pith is called. What does pith and inner surrounding? It's first we need to know about its cross section. If we take the timber, its cross section in a centermost portion is pith and surrounded by hardwood, surrounded by sapwood, then after surrounded by cadmium layer, then it is bark, inner bark and outer bark. So now the question is asked, the inner part of the timber log surrounding the pith is. So this is pith and surrounding to it, it is hardwood. So now next question. For testing compressive and tensile strength of cement, the cement mortar is made by mixing mixing cement and standard sand in proportion of. So standard sand is NOR sand in proportion of 1:3. Next is clay and silk content in good brick must be at least. What is clay and silk content in good brick is? Proportion of clay and silk is, so it is 50%. Next, which of the following cement contain maximum percentage of dicalcium silicate? So maximum percent of dicalcium silicate in which of the following? So it is low heat cement. Next question. Which of the following is pure form of iron? Which of the following is pure form of iron? And the answer is wrought iron. It consists of 99.5% of iron in it. Next question. Early attainment of strength in rapid hardening cement is mainly due to, it is most important question. So early attainment of strength in rapid hardening cement is asked. So preferably first preference will be given to fine grinding. In addition to it, 56% of tricalcium silicate mainly responsible for rapid hardening cement, mainly responsible for the strength of the rapid hardening cement. These are the two factors. Next question. The advantage of clamp compared to kiln for burning bricks. So clamp and kiln are two different methods of burning of bricks. So what is the advantage of clamp over kiln is asked. So it has less initial cost. Next question. Quicklime generate heats when added to water, reacts with carbon dioxide, may be used for whitewashing, all the above. So answer to it, this is quicklime is responsible for all the above. Next question. The commonly used raw material in manufacturing of cement. What is the commonly used raw material in manufacturing of cement? It is limestone. Next question. Due to attack of dry rot, the timber reduces to powder. That is the answer. Next question. Plywood has the advantage of same tensile strength in all direction. In all the direction, plywood have the same tensile strength. Rock which are formed due to cooling of magma at considerable depth for Earth's surface is called as plutonic rock. It's actually present it or it usually present below the Earth's surface, and hyperbasal rock is below the Earth crust. Next question. Pure lime takes long time to develop adequate strength, and the reason is pure lime has slow hardening characteristics. We need to select the assertion and reason. So first is both A and R is the reason. Both A and R is true. R is the correct explanation of A, and both A and R is true and R is not the correct explanation of A. A is true but R is false. A is false but R is true. So answer to this is A and R is true and R is the reason of explanation of A. So the first assertion, both the assertion and reasoning are correct, and the reason is the correct explanation for the assertion. That's what the question is. Next question. The motor joint in masonry which is normal to the face of wall is known as cross joint. Next question. A volatile substance added to a paint to make its application easy and smooth is known as. What does if a volatile substance is taken, what is the main reason of easy application? So it is due to solvent. Jumper is a tool used for. What is jumper and what is it used for? Jumper is actually this tool. This is jumper and it is used for curing of stones, and rest other tools are mentioned here with the diagrams. Next question. Pick up the volcanic rock from the following. Among this, which of the following are volcanic rock? So answer is basalt rock is a volcanic rock. Next question. Sapwood consists of innermost annular ring around pith, portion of timber between hardwood and cadmium layer. This we have already seen. So what does the sapwood is all about? So sapwood is this region. So it lies between hardwood and cadmium layer. So answer is portion between hardwood and cadmium layer. So next, which of the following pair give the correct combination of useful and harmful constituent respectively for good brick earth? Answer is silica and alkalis. Actually silica, it is used to impart binding properties, and alkali and silica is mainly used for to develop the strength and it imparts binding property, and alkali causes efflorescence, which we used to see over the surface. White surface is formed. That's what is efflorescence. Next question. Hydraulic lime is obtained by burning of concur. Main function of alumina in brick earth is, what is the main function of alumina in brick earth? It's mainly due to it impart plasticity. Strength of cement concrete primarily depends on, what does the strength of cement concrete primarily depends on? It's the water cement ratio. Most commonly used retarder in cement. What is the most commonly used retarder in cement? It is asked about cement, so answer is gypsum. If it is asked about concrete, then answer is calcium chloride, and if it is asked about accelerator in concrete, then answer is calcium chloride. Is most important and most repeated question even. Okay, next question. The rock which are formed due to cooling of magma at relatively shallow depth from the earth's surface is called, it is hyperbasal rock, which present is below the earth crust, and we have seen the plutonic rock below earth's surface it is found. Okay, next question. Presents the pressure acting on stone in stone masonry constructed should be perpendicular to the direction of bedding plane. Next question. The type of bond provided in brick masonry for carrying heavy load is, to carry heavy load, what is type of the bond used? That is English bond. And if it is asked about the aesthetic value, then it is Flemish bond. Next is soundness of cement is tested by Lee-Chartier apparatus. It mainly tells the presence of free lime. Next question. Gypsum is chemically precipitated sedimentary rock. That's what gypsum is. Next is seasoning of timber is done to remove water. So what is seasoning of timber and what does it remove? It remove water. If we cut freshly, if we consider a case of freshly cut tree, it contain moisture content of morely greater than 50%. Next is number of bricks required for 1 cubic meter of brick masonry. So that is 500. How we will get that? 1 by 20 into 20 into 10 into 10, that is brick size with mortar. So we divide 1 by 0.20 into 0.10 into 0.10, we get 500. That's what is number of brick in 1 cubic meter. Next, the main ingredient of Portland cement. What is the main ingredient in Portland cement? It is lime and silica. And we are having the different proportions: lime 62 to 67, silica 17 to 25, alumina 3 to 8, magnesia 2 to 3, gypsum, that's what we add actually, gypsum. So it is 3 to 4 iron oxide, 3 to 4 sulfur, 2 to 3 alkali, 0.2 to 1. These are the proportions in ordinary Portland cement. Next question. After storage, the strength of the cement, how does it affect the strength of the cement after storage? It actually decreases. We can see the passage of time of cement loses its strength by, after 3 months, if we considered, the cement loses its strength by 20%, and after 6 months cement loses its strength by 30%. If we take 12 months after, it loses its strength by 40%. If we take 24 months, cement loses its strength by 50%. So after storage, the strength of the cement decreases. Next question. The most common admixture which is used to accelerate initial set of concrete. Most common accelerator is calcium chloride. We can see further more accelerators in concrete, that is sodium thiocyanate, other thiocyanate, salt, other alkylamine, and product based on sulfates, nitrates and formates. These are the accelerator in concrete. And if you see the retarders in concrete, that is calcium sulfite, starch, glucose, sugar, etc. So if it is asked about most common admixture used in accelerator, that is calcium chloride. Next is when the brick is immersed in water for 24 hours, then dried. If no gray or white deposit appear on the surface, the brick is free from soluble salt. 10% of surface is covered with gray or white deposit, the brick has slight efflorescence. 50% of surface is covered with gray or white deposit, the brick has serious efflorescence. So 50%, then brick is considered as serious efflorescence. 10%, if we have 10% gray and white deposit, that is light efflorescence, and no gray is found, then the brick is free from soluble salt. So answer to this is all the above. All the options are correct. Next question. The compound of Portland cement which contribute to the strength after 2 to 3 years. Which is the compound that contribute the strength after 2 to 3 years? That is dicalcium silicate after 2 to 3 years. And if we take tricalcium silicate, it is after 1 to 2 weeks. And if we take tricalcium aluminate, it reacts with water within 24 hours. And if we take tricalcium aluminoferrate, it is the first compound which reacts with water, and within 24 hours the reaction takes place. Next, chemically marble is known as calcareous rock. The expected outturn of 2.5 centimeter concrete floor per mason per day. This is most important question and repeated question even. So answer to this is one day. If we take one person per day for the floor, if we take one per person can place the concrete floor per day is 1.875 meter cube. So the outturn of 2.5 centimeter is given, so divide by 0.25, we get 7.5 meter square. So answer is 7.5 square meter. Next, mastic asphalt is generally used for both A and B, that is both damp proof course and waterproofing layer. We use mastic asphalt. Next question, the name of the cement from the following for canal lining. For canal lining, which of the cement is used? That is sulfate resisting cement we use, because it mainly involves the water involvement is there. So for canal lining, if we take, the cement we adopt is sulfate resisting cement. And if we take rapid hardening cement, it is used for pavement construction, and quick setting cement, it is mainly used for underwater construction and mainly repair works. And if we take pozzolana cement, it also used for hydraulic structures. Next, the rock generally used for roofing is, we use slate for roofing works, and basalt, if we say, igneous rock, and granite is plutonic, even that is also igneous rock. Refractory bricks are used, so combustion chamber. So refractory factors are used for combustion chamber. Black marble generally found in district of, which district the black marble is generally found? That is Jaipur. Gypsum consists of, what does gypsum consist of? It's calcium sulfate and water, CaSO4 plus H2O. Minimum required water content ratio for workable concrete is, what is the minimum requirement of cement in workable concrete? It is 0.4%, that is 15% is entrapped. If we add water to cement, it is 15% is entrapped in voids, and 23% is consumed by bogus compound. So totally, if we take 15 plus 23, it is 38%, so that is 0.38. So if we consider the factor of safety, we can take 0.40. So minimum requirement of cement ratio for workable concrete is 0.40. Next, rock formed due to alteration of original structure due to heat and excessive pressure called metamorphic rock. Next is Bessemer process is used for the manufacturing of steel. So this is the setup of Bessemer process. In this we can see the steel is manufactured. Next, inhaling of fly ash over long period causes, what is the inhalation of fly ash causes? It causes all these above. All the problems can be caused by fly ash if inhale of fly ash over long period. Next is a pug mill is used for. So pug mill is mainly used for the preparation of clay. We use a pug mill that impart plasticity to the brick. That's what it is called as tempering. So that is, first stage is preparation of clay, second is molding, third is drying, fourth is burning, then packaging, and then delivery. So this is the manufacturing process of brick. So pug mill is mainly used for tempering of brickwork. Next, stucco paints are suitable for stone masonry and brick wall. So answer is both A and B. For manufacturing of plywood, veneer are placed so that grains of the adjacent veneer are run at 90 degrees or run at right angles. The most important constituent of oil paint is, are thinner, vehicle, pigment. All these are most important constituent in oil paint. So these were the questions. So I'll be coming with more updates and questions. So kindly support me and like my video and comment on my video. Thank you. Thanks a lot.